Yes, man. Nice. African corner. Yes. Nice. 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 Oops. Nice. Oops.
Look at the customers.
Already. Oops. Nice, 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 nice. 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 Oh, already music, eh? Oh, that's new. That's new, Amanda.
I know, I love this. This is adorable. Oh my gosh. I just love it. Oh my gosh.
I wish I have those at the time you did the modeling. But you did that one. Oh, you did that one.
This one is cute.
You remember the one you did with
the pants.
The
I have
pants.
the pants. I love the pants. Then that you have so many cute ones.
Oh my God.
I like these. They're all, oh my gosh. You gotta, okay, you're making it very hard to choose. I'm just gonna let you know right now. Oh my gosh. This should be so cute. That's cute though.
Yeah.
I like these. My favorite. These will always be mine. Forever. I love these. Those are awesome.
You did something like a peacock.
I did. I did. I was playing with them. I see that.
It was nice.
I love these. These are so cute.
Nice.
Oh my gosh.
And then we get a lot of stuff. And special on jewelry. Oh my God. This is a girls' room. All of this is a girls' room.
These purses are cute. Work this. Rock all these. Amanda, where'd you go? Oh.
Oops! You guys, you're everywhere.
I like these ones.
Oh yeah?
I like. Oh my gosh.
Let me see on you.
Like.
Oh, nice.
Those are
I like
cheap.
them. I like them.
Oh wow.
I really like them.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. I know. I saw that one. I saw the dolphin one.
Oops! The corner. And today there is the Venice. Eh? Venice is coming through the
African Venus,
yeah.
Yeah, it's coming.
Venice.
Well, he was saying Venus coming up in like
5 minutes.
between now and 7. So it might not come now, maybe come later on.
Oh yeah?
That was he said.
Oh.
What do you think?
Oh, nice. Check it out. Check it out.
Lovely girl. Wow, look at this earring, girl. What a beautiful, lovely piece.
I like the piece.
I like the piece sign. You make the earring look good.
Oh.
Yeah, man. I like that, man.
I love these.
Job bless to the girls, man. All the girls wearing some jewelries. African corner jewelries.
Yeah. And then we did the
Like the skirt.
the room. We changed the room.
Skirt.
Oh my God. Nice.
They're hiding.
We just change it. This is a guy's room. Tight. do that. Oops. Yeah, man.
The peace sign and the moon.
Oh my gosh, Dad, these are adorable. I love the tulips. These are cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow, look at the dolphin. I know they have this dolphin right here with the peace sign. That is cute. Oh my god. No, I love these. I saw the wooden over here. These are beautiful, Dad. Wow.
Yeah.
These are beautiful. I love these too. These are gorgeous.
Ecuador.
I love these.
Nice.
Wow.
Nice.
I know I saw that one. There's only one. Aw, we're missing one.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, this one, Papa.
Yeah, we'll find. We'll find.
Definitely, we have to.
I got some stickers.
Yeah? Nice, man.
Yeah, I need for my car. Oh, to close, to cover that, the window.
We give it a chance. We give it a chance.
Yeah.
I'm going to check it out. This is the sun I'm looking for.
Is anything coming out?
Venus.
It's coming out?
Eh?
You see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
No, you see Venus?
No.
You can see the sun.
Yeah, I can see the sun.
Yeah, you cannot look with your naked eye. Huh?
No. Dangerous.
It's Venus, is the biggest star, or what? Star, right?
Yeah,
Biggest
man.
star?
Yeah.